Good morning, my dear students. I am your social teacher of Class 4. In the part 1 video, we learnt about the states and the capitals. Now, in the part 2 video, we are going to learn union territories and their capitals. This is a revision part. Students, keep it in your mind. Okay. Again, we can have a small recall about the states and the capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizwal. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata. Students, totally we have 28 states and capitals. Now we are going to recall union territories and we are going to discuss where it is. Totally in India we have 9 union territories. Students, while saying, say along with me 5 times. Okay. Andaman and Nicobar Island. And the capital is Port Blair. Take your fingers, start to say Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Second one is Chandigarh. And the capital is Chandigarh. So it's very easy for you to recall, isn't it? Take your fingers. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. So, can you recall we learned Chandigarh in states and capitals, isn't it? So, Haryana capital is Chandigarh and Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Both Haryana and Punjab the same capital. Here in the Union Territories, Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the Union Territory and the capital is Chandigarh. Now we can move to third one. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. What is the capital of this? Silvassa. Take your fingers. Start to say Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. 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 Now we can move to fourth one. Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu is a union territory and the capital is Daman. It's very easy for you. When comparing states and the capitals, union territory is somewhat easy, I think, isn't it? So in the union territory's name even the capital is there. So it's very easy to recall. Daman and Diu, Daman. Take your fingers, start to say Daman and Diu, Daman. Daman and Diu, Daman. Daman and Diu, Daman. Daman and Diu, Daman. And the fifth one, Lakshadweep. And the capital is Kavaratti. Take your fingers, start to say Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. And the sixth one is Nct of Delhi. What does mean by NCT? That is National Capital Territory of Delhi. And the capital is Delhi. Delhi is a union territory and the capital also Delhi. So, take your fingers, start to say National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi. 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 Seventh one, Puducherry. Puducherry is in Tamil Nadu and it is a union territory. Puducherry is a union territory and its capital also Puducherry. So we can start to say Puducherry, Puducherry. Puducherry, Puducherry. Puducherry, Puducherry. Puducherry, Puducherry. Eighth one, Jammu and Kashmir. Here we have only one union territories but two capitals. One is Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Now we can start to see Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. And the ninth one is Ladakh and the capital is Leh. Ladakh, Leh. Ladakh, Leh. Ladakh, Leh. Ladakh, Leh. Students, we can start to say these union territories from first. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Daman and Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi. Puducherry, Puducherry. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the summer capital. Jammu is the winter capital. Ladakh, Leh. Students, we completed the states and capitals and union territory. This is very, very, very important for your life. That's why repeatedly I am saying. Students, now we are going to play a small game. Okay. Take a book. Take a last page. In that booklet is there. Open page number 1. Yeah, you have a map. So in this map, we are going to find all the union territories. We can start from first, down. In Tamil Nadu, we have one union territory. What is that? Just find. Yeah, correct. Puducherry. In Tamil Nadu, we have Puducherry as a union territory. And we can move to up. In Gujarat, we have 2 union territories. Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Clear or not? So, we find 3 union territories, isn't it? Then we can move up. Delhi. Delhi is a union territory. This we all know, isn't it? And then up of Delhi, we have Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory. Then moving up, they divide into 2. Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is a union territory. So we completed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we completed 7, isn't it? What about the remaining 2 union territories? Where it is? Both the sides of India, we can find that's union territory. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory. Where it is? It is in Bay of Bengal side. And the Lakshadweep Island is a union territory. It is in the Arabian Sea side. So totally we have 9 union territories in India. Students, now find out what is the smallest state in India. Yeah, it is Goa. Goa is the smallest state. And what is the biggest state in India? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state. India shares its border with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lies to the south of the country. Students, you have to mug up the states and capitals per day. 2 or 3 states and capitals is enough. If you mug up daily 2 to 3 states and capitals, easily you can learn. Students, in the part 1 video, I told you to write states and capitals, which means 28 states and capitals you have to write in your rough note one time I said. Now, union territory and their capitals you have to write one time. If you write, you can recall the names. You can recall the spellings. Clear? So don't forget, you have to write. Thank you, children. Have a good day.